There are multiple ways that employers can amend previously submitted wage reports in suits, including manual amendment, wage file upload, or updating to a zero wage report. This video will walk the user through each of these methods. Begin by logging into the suit's employer self-service portal. From the home page, click the Wage Submission link on the left-hand menu. On the Wage Submission page, for each amendment method, select Amend Prior Report. Then choose a report quarter and year. Only quarters that have an original wage report submitted will be available for amendment. Next, select a submission type and an adjustment type. In this first example, we'll look at the manual amendment process. Selecting the Replace Previous Submission Entirely button will completely overwrite any existing wage data the user has entered for the selected quarter with the newly entered data. Click Next. Modify the existing wage information to fit the current wage submission. Under Amendment Reason, there are a range of options from which the user can choose as the reason for making the amendment. Select the option that most closely fits. Click Next. Modify the employment information if necessary. Be sure that the number of hours worked for each employee are accurate. Click Next. The user will be taken to the Wage Reporting Summary screen. Review the wage report summary information that has been entered. If the information displayed is correct, click Next. The user will be taken to the Calculation Summary screen. Review the calculation summary. This screen will provide a previous versus amended summary for total wages, taxable wages, and contribution amounts. If the information displayed is correct, scroll to the bottom, check the acknowledgement box, and click Next. Review the confirmation message. From this point, the user may choose one of two options. If there is an amount due on the account and the user is ready to make a payment immediately, the user can click on the Submit Payment button to be taken to the payment screen. Otherwise, click Finish, and the suit system will return to the home page. Please note that some wage amendments will be sent for staff review before they are processed. The suit system will calculate all interest due for unemployment insurance taxes. In order to amend a wage report using a file upload, begin at the Wage Submission menu. Select Amend Prior Report, then choose the report quarter and year to be amended, the submission type, and upload a file containing wage information. If the user is updating an existing report, the file does not have to contain all records, just those to be amended. Click Next. Enter the email address of the individual responsible for receiving notifications on wage report amendment status and select the file type. Click Select Files to select the amended wage report file from your local machine. Click Upload. When the file is uploaded successfully, the file name will appear with a check mark next to it, and one file successfully uploaded will appear beneath. A confirmation email will be sent to the address provided on the previous screen. Click Next. This brings the user to a file submission confirmation page. Review the wage report confirmation information. When review is complete, click Finish, and the suit system will return to the home page. In order to amend a previously submitted quarterly wage report to reflect zero wages paid in that quarter, begin at the Wage Submission menu. Select Amend Prior Report, then choose the quarter and year of the report to be amended and the No Wage Report, No Wages Paid in the Quarter Submission method. Click Next. Review the wage reporting summary information and click Next. The user will be brought to the Calculation Summary screen, where previous versus amended summaries will be provided for total wages, taxable wages, and contribution amounts. Review the summaries. If the details are correct, check the No Wages Submitted confirmation box and click Next. This will bring the user to the confirmation screen. Click Finish to return to the home page.